Yes, so my people, ganshous people waiting for house. 2 o'clock don't reach, another time for talk. We don't come again as they come with our beautiful faces and those things where they touch you for brain, your mind. We're gonna make you laugh and also we go informate you. On top of the show, my own name na Queen B. We get Bettiana and also we get Amaka in the building. How na this, Sister Lee?
The weather cool one kind.
On the old school deal now, weather cool.
As weather
But
cool.
Amaka no look old school. Today will be your favorite day. You know, don't look old school at all.
I feel like they go choir parties. Choir mistress.
Can't tie head so that Bishop no go vex. All right, so my people, we get plenty things so we'll bring to Una Domo today. We get our old school picture. Who that person be, we'll go soon find out. Also, we get musical review and we get waiting day hot. We get plenty things with you. You go just gum body with us. Chillax with us, make you for know waiting they happen. But before then, I no go won't talk too much. Make we go straight to we old school picture. Amaka Sanchez, who be our old school person for today?
Now never give me drum roll. When I want tell me you drum roll. Hey, picture please. Thank you. Old school picture. Let's go there. Let's see who that person be. So this person na singist, na male artist. We both know who he be. Na singist, na female, na male artist. But we just look and wella. Fine boy, you.
No
Tell
people.
us who he be. When una want tell me who this
Amaka, I
person
don't
be.
know where you forget all this.
Make una give me the person real name. I don't want his stage name. In real name, na him I want.
Okay, na
who he
singist.
be? If na Amaka, go tell me say na Amaka so and so. No be my stage name. But the person don't resemble me anyway.
Let him be your stage name, Amaka.
Amaka.
Amaka na.
Let him be your real name.
Okay. So if una want give us the answer, make una run sharply enter at Talk Wazobia. At Talk Wazobia, tell us say. At Talk Wazobia, tell us who the person be. Talk for Twitter and for Facebook. But Talk
Dash.
Wazobia TV.
Amaka don't chop belly food today.
As in, the weather can't freeze my brain.
Why? No, see, now, since on Monday, I don't notice, and now in the evening, one kind of cold they come from, I don't understand.
Thank God though, so I normal.
No.
I
get even the
Could
katana
they catch
dry
me?
one.
Could they catch me like 2-3 days in this stretch? Person come they ask me say you sure say na only could go hospital. I say but na only could na
No,
well na just
no, na only cold
cold. They
dey
worry
worry
me.
me.
Now, only cold. It don't start since like on
Hallelujah.
Monday after that rain.
Yes.
One kind cold from
Kind
nowhere.
dry cold.
I
like
beg, now time for you to
Hallelujah.
cover up. I beg, no one here because the way it is scratch my throat all through the night where I sleep. All right, so don't reach that time where we go sunshoe our story for today. You self get the opportunity to make you trick your mouth inside. My ladies, so now don't ready.
Something like that.
Yells.
Something like that. All right, you know say today now we old school day. But what happened for we first story, just to make sense at all. Now Oju Kokoro, we won't call this one Bibi say this woman do pass herself. This one a 20-month-old Okpeyemi Ogunlade, when they report say on Sunday, say he lost for Abeokuta. What happened? They say this incident happened for Mile 2 in Yano Concord, Akorede Estate, Ilugun community area for Abeokuta local government area. This one I thought say then go for naming ceremony. For the naming ceremony, nine this baby waka miss. They no see him again. Then they say the brother of the person where they do naming ceremony say, in just they help to get ready of the naming ceremony. They help them arrange things, move plates, move this one, arrange canopy and all that. So she can't notice say, it be like say her baby no day around again. Waiting they happen. Now they start to the search. They no see this baby. Everybody they look for her. I don't know how many months old baby again. How it's a 20-month-old baby. He get leg.
20 months.
He don't they waka, right? It's supposed on the 18 months, 1 year. Yeah, it's supposed on the waka, but it's too small for person to take leave where you're going to miss ceremony because of 1 plate of rice and mineral where you want take for you to take leave your pikin like that. According to the police, this thing for them, the police command for there, commissioner for there, he thought say yes, the investigation whether they do according to the baby where they thought say he lost, yes, he actually lost, but you know they related to the place where they thought, because they said they go one place, one uncompleted building, then see school uniform, school bag and all that. He said you know they related at all, and they still they do investigation on top of the matter. What do you wanna think? One plate of rice for naming ceremony make you lost 20-month-old baby. How you want to explain if you go out?
You explain now. As you can explain now.
How?
What do you do? What do you mean they do? Where how you take throw away 20-month-old? Me call them a year some months.
Yes.
Year some months. What did the pikin they do? I remember yesterday when we talk about who you know feel if the call they say who you know feel your pikin with. What thing happen? Why you just decide say okay, I want throw away my pikin? You go party. Maybe you go hold your pikin. You leave the pikin. You know children and they go like to the waka, they play everywhere.
Or get somebody to help you hold them.
She fit don't do am. She fit don't do am. She fit don't get person to help her hold am, to hold the pikin. But I feel say she no just do am properly. She no do the right thing. In the sense that she herself go come with either her sister or nanny. You know, say we know the two trust nanny. But she will come with her sister or her husband or somebody. Maybe you know just go to the party with. You don't feel go alone with that kind of small pikin. Especially if na party where everywhere go just scatter, everybody they jubilate. I know Victor say sit down one place. No.
Mostly if not like in-laws, they
in-laws,
do
you know, go just sit down, say you know go. But that pikin, who you go glue the pikin for chair. Sit here, don't go anywhere. I'm coming. Impossible. The pikin must move. So I just feel say the whole story, it maybe be as it get to. The woman number one, she dey careless.
Yes.
Number one, she dey very careless. Number one. Number two, if police say you know they related to
the house
where they sit down one, although me if I don't see a stake with it, that school uniform, the pikin wear school uniform go party. You know they possible now.
Evidence they say that means other children, maybe they don't carry other children come there. Now waiting.
Then just okay, where they put the pikin there too. Okay, well, they're possible, but I just feel say the woman they very careless. And this one advice to other parents. If they go party, at least try. Go with another person. We go take care of the 1-year-old, 2-year-old, or how old, because pikin no go want sit down one place. Children are children. You know if you tell them say sit down one place and go to glue their ears for them, no go move. So I beg, in fact, the story
I like
is sad.
it you talk, Amaka, when you say pikin and pikin, you no go fit tell them, say them sit down one place and they go sit down. Me, I don't feel saying a function of say the woman they careless or not, because after everything we done, they discuss on this show time over and over and over again. You know, get as person one careful reach. Some kind time, some things will just happen no matter how careful you did. I remember some time ago, me and we go on comedy show, and then she actually used her phone call person, and then when she finished the call, she just dropped the phone for table. Before we say A, we no see that phone again. We don't know who carry them. We don't know what thing happen, but we just begin to find phone. And this now within us. So how careful person won't be to guard in property or guard in pikin or guard anything where be the subject of the day. I don't know if you understand what they talk. So for me, I go just say things they happen, and the woman go just we go always advise say make she dey more careful next time, but it no get how you want take careful rich. That's not my own. It no get as you want take careful rich, because I don't see people where say then take 1,000,001 precautions, but waiting one be still be. So I just feel saying
no, but me I go talk this one. I say with the kind of things where they happen and the stories where we hear 16-year-old boy clear up a 5-year-old pikin intestine do needs job. Like say now waiting it on they do tete. We know nobody the one with them catch them. Now make way we know say it on they do. Yeah. You when you mostly the young parents now. I remember those days where parents they back children where go back you go tire. You understand? So these days we don't. This our generation. I don't understand. Maybe if you go places like that, just look for that baby stroller. You know, put the pikin around you. Just to this, at least when you know say you don't try your own best. What won't happen if you know, even though if you dey careful, go happen. But at least inside your mind.
At least if you talk, say okay, now waiting I do be this.
Yes,
I do like
at
this.
least I don't do this kind of thing. I don't try my own best to your best knowledge. And you know, when it comes to like party, sorry to the Yoruba people, everybody family does, everybody just dey scatter, everybody want chop the amala, everybody want chop this one, and maybe not through that place the pikin waka. But you know, with the rate of kidnapping these days, and mostly from that Abeokuta, I beg, May these people just try. All right, my people, we'll go back small break. When we come back, you go hear the friend zoning. Who the friend zone? Naija celeb with friend zoning. We then come back on top of the matter. This one I still talk with the come.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.